Did you know that the fate of your weight loss is decided in the first 60 minutes of your day? Most of us wake up, look at our phones, drag ourselves to the coffee pot, and maybe grab a quick piece of toast. And without knowing it, we have just set our hormones to fat storage mode for the rest of the day. If you are struggling to lose weight, especially over the age of 40, your morning routine is likely working against you. Today, I'm going to give you the specific, science-backed 4-step morning routine that flips your metabolic switch from store to burn. These aren't complicated changes, but if you do them in this specific order, they will completely change how your body processes energy. Before we get to the habits, you need to understand why the morning matters so much. When you wake up, your body naturally spikes your cortisol levels. This is called the cortisol awakening response. It's a good thing. It's what gives you the energy to get out of bed. However, if you add extra stress to this natural spike, by drinking caffeine too early, by looking at stressful emails, or by eating sugar, you push that cortisol too high. And what have we learned on this channel? Chronically high cortisol equals stubborn belly fat. So, our goal for the first hour is simple. Gentle energy, stable blood sugar, controlled cortisol. Let's get into step 1. The very first thing you likely want to do is grab a cup of coffee. I need you to stop. You have just gone 8 hours without water. You are dehydrated. Your cells are shriveled. Your metabolism is sluggish. If you dump acidic coffee onto a dehydrated system, you are just stressing your body out. Before anything else touches your lips, you need 16 to 20 ounces of water. But not just plain water. We need to wake up your liver and your digestion. I recommend adding 2 things. Lemon juice, half a squeezed lemon. This helps balance your pH and supports the liver. A pinch of sea salt. This provides electrolytes which helps your cells actually absorb the water. Drink this before you brush your teeth, before you check your email, and definitely before you have coffee. Think of this as the shower for your insides. It flushes out the toxins from the night before and preps your metabolism to work. Okay, I know you're going to hate me for this one, but it is a game changer for belly fat. Habit number 2 is to wait 90 minutes before drinking coffee. 90 minutes? Are you crazy? Hear me out. Remember that natural cortisol spike we talked about? It peaks about 45 minutes after you wake up. If you drink coffee while your cortisol is already peaking, you create a massive stress response. You get the jitters, you get the anxiety, and then you get the crash at 2 p.m. By waiting 90 minutes, you let your natural cortisol ride the wave and start to come down. Then you introduce the caffeine. This gives you sustained energy all day without the fat-storing stress response. Try it for 3 days. You will notice you are calmer, less hungry, and you don't need that second or third cup. Now, let's talk about breakfast. In the Western world, we have normalized dessert for breakfast. Cereal, muffins, toast with jam, vanilla lattes, instant oatmeal with brown sugar. This is a glucose disaster. You spike your insulin first thing in the morning, which shuts off fat burning for hours. Habit number 3 is a savory breakfast focused on protein. I want you to aim for 30 grams of protein. We are talking eggs, Greek yogurt, plain, chicken sausage, or a protein smoothie. By starting savory, you stabilize your blood sugar. You won't have the mid-morning crash, and you won't be looking for snacks. You are anchoring your blood sugar for the entire day. If you eat toast first thing, you will crave carbs all day. If you eat eggs first thing, you will feel control all day. It's that simple. The final habit takes less than 5 minutes but controls your sleep and your weight. You need to get light in your eyes. Your metabolism runs on a circadian rhythm. It needs to know it's morning. The only way it knows that is by seeing natural light. Within an hour of waking up, try to get outside for 5 to 10 minutes, or at least stand by a bright window. This signals your brain to produce serotonin, the happy hormone. and stops the production of melatonin, the sleep hormone. People who get morning light exposure have been shown to have lower BMIs and better weight regulation than those who don't. It's free, it's easy, and it works. So, let's recap your new fat-burning morning. Hydrate. Water with lemon and salt immediately. Wait. Push that coffee back by 90 minutes. Eat savory. 30 grams of protein, no sugar. See the light. 5 minutes of natural light to reset your clock. You don't have to be perfect, but if you can win the morning, you will win the day. I want to know, which of these 4 habits is going to be the hardest for you? Is it waiting for the coffee? Let me know in the comments. Make sure to subscribe for more tips, and always check the description area of this video for any help we may offer. If you found this helpful, hit that like button and subscribe to True Lose Zone. I'm rooting for you. See you in the next video.